Hello students, welcome to Divya Jyoti School. I have been created using advanced prompts. I am Project AI. What is LLM? Large language model is an advanced AI system that learns from data
and generates human-like responses.
There are many types of LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, Meta AI, and Grok. LLMs work step by step. They read your text, break it into tokens, learn patterns, and generate human-like answers.
Tokenization splits text into smaller pieces called tokens, helping AI understand and process language better.
Embeddings turn tokens into numbers, helping AI understand meaning and find relationships between words.
Transformers help AI focus on important words, learn context, and create accurate answers for you.
LLMs are trained on massive datasets, learning patterns, and language rules to generate meaningful responses. Fine-tuning improves LLMs by training them on smaller datasets, making them smarter for specific tasks. Prompt engineering means giving clear, detailed instructions so AI can give better, smarter answers. Generative AI creates new text, images, and videos by learning from data and combining patterns intelligently.
AI supports education by helping students learn better and assisting teachers with smart tools. AI is part of our daily life, from healthcare and shopping to transport and entertainment, everywhere. The future of LLMs means smarter, faster, and more powerful AI, transforming the way we learn and live. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI. From Divya Jyoti School, Daman,